Hi, this is Jay Lee. Just wanted to take you along with me on a hike up into the mountains. Actually, the power tower right behind me is where I'm going to be going. It should be an adventure. I've been feeling a little bit sick as of late, and so you know, my ears are still plugged. But you know, just wanted to take you along with me to you know, see what Sylmar looks like at the top of the hill. So anyway, come along. I think it's good that I get out. I've been battling a cold for a little while now. My ears are still a little plugged. I think it's good that I end up getting a little bit more exercise now. I think that this will be a good experience on this beautiful day. What a gorgeous day here in Southern California. All right. Here we go. Gosh darn it, I just realized I'm wearing the wrong shoes. I'm wearing my Vans. My canvas shoes, perfect. I'm not going back. Anyway. Holy moly. I got myself a walking stick. Here we go. My walking stick. You gotta have a walking stick. A little souvenir to bring back. It's a little on the treacherous. Lizards all over the place. Should have worn different shoes. This is crazy. Yeah, you don't want to slip on that. You go over the edge. Even at this height, it would hurt. Yeah, you don't want to fall. You come crashing down onto these rocks down here. Here, let's go. What I don't like about these hikes is that you know, it's always very steep. It's always steep, and you know, if you fall, you're gonna totally jack yourself up. You know, so it's the steepness plus the you know, the treacherous, the loose gravel and everything else. So anyway, it's so crazy. Just try to stay away from the edges as best you can. That's what you got to do. Getting a little closer to the top. A little bit more. Probably about halfway, maybe 60% already. Not sure if you can notice, but it's basically gravel. It's basically gravel over over these solid rock and stuff, which makes it a little more slippery. Okay, where are we? Lots of lizards, man. Lots of lizards. I think they're playing with me. They come out when I least expect it. Can't even see them. They're always mixed up in the brush. I'm getting closer to the top. It's always steepest toward the top. So anyway, I'm almost there. It's such a beautiful view. Just incredibly gorgeous. You know, there's lots of birds and stuff out here. It's just hey, help me, Jesus. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm okay, you guys. Yeah, don't worry about me. I'm good. Okay, where am I? Jeez. All right, I'm good. I'm good to go, man. Oh, jeez. Yeah, don't worry about me, man. I'm good. Oh, jeez, I just can't believe it. Jeez, what the heck? Okay. Man, it's a little crazy. Anyway, I think I'm okay. My leg's a little jacked up. That's perfectly fine. I think, jeez, I dropped my stuff. Here we go. So anyway, I'm okay. It's been a good experience so far. So anyway, it's a good thing that this sperm like stopped me. Could have gone over the side. That would have been nuts. So anyway, there's plenty of shrubbery to stop me from falling and stuff. So anyway, I'm doing good, man. So this is I'm just gonna finish up. What the? Okay, okay, ow. Okay, all right. Okay, I think I got it. I think something bit me. No, I think I got poked by that branch. Stupid branch. Crazy. What else can go? What else can happen today? Anyway, I'll see you at the top, okay? All right, you guys. That's all there is here is rock, and a little bit of dirt. But you notice, life somehow found a way. That's all it takes. The need to live and grow. Almost here. Oh, jeez. It's the easiest part of the walk. Thank goodness. It's almost like a reward. I'm hoping you guys get your hike on. You know, this beautiful Easter 2017. It's just been a fantastic day. Hopefully it's a great time where you're at too and stuff. So anyway, I hope I end up seeing you guys next time. Is it? What the? No! Whoa! Whoa! Haha! Haha! You missed me! You missed me! That's right. All right. Whew! That was a close one. Whew! Okay, I'll see you guys next time.